PowerPoint Ecover Empire. Review, Mega Bonus Pack in Download Area. PowerPoint Ecover Empire. Finally, start creating professional book or ebook covers in minutes with a done-for-you, customizable cover templates bundle using only PowerPoint. No more expensive softwares. Say goodbye to Photoshop. Top quality ebook cover templates using PowerPoint for your Kindle and online business. PowerPoint Ecover Empire 30 DFY Ebook Cover Templates using PowerPoint is a true game-changer, jam-packed with 30 stunning ebook covers professionally designed using PowerPoint, covering many niches. Some amazing features of PowerPoint Ecover Empire. No Photoshop, no problem. If you have fallen in love with Photoshop, that's fine. Now, you don't need Photoshop anymore. If you're on a budget, then I've got some good news for you. You'll be able to edit the templates using a 100% Microsoft PowerPoint, which is available to both Mac and PC. Creative and stunning designs. These ebook cover designs are truly unique and follow some pretty stunning graphic design trends, all to make your marketing look more professional, fresh, current, and unique, easily edited in PowerPoint like a pro. How cool is it that you can edit each template as you like in any PowerPoint version you own? Change the background color, font, edit the images, or add a new image. And it's so much quicker than starting from scratch. All with the help of Microsoft PowerPoint. Ultimate repurpose freedom. The designs are exported in separate files, giving you the freedom to use them in another type of designs in future. For example, for your video, flyer, website, sales page, squeeze page, YouTube channel, banner, t-shirt, and so much more. More designs and unlimited potential. This one-of-a-kind PowerPoint Ecover template features templates in various design and illustration styles, which have been professionally designed to give you more selection and more choice. Save time, money, and effort like a pro. Forget about hiring expensive graphic designers from Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer, and others, waiting for delivery and asking yet for another revision. Create ebook cover templates faster, with less effort and more fun. PowerPoint Ecover Empire upgrade offers $9 front end. PowerPoint Ecover Empire 30 DFY PowerPoint ebook covers. This is an awesome offer, packed with 30 would-be worth of super top quality ebook covers, which has been reduced from $47 to just $9. $27. Auto 1. Upsell. 70 additional ebook covers using PowerPoint special package. This is an additional 70 Ecover templates that has been added as an upsell for those who need more templates. It comes with done-for-you templates that can be easily edited in MS PowerPoint. $22.20. Auto 2. Downsell. 50/40ths additional Ecover templates one-time offer. This is an additional 50/40ths Ecover templates that has been added as a downsell for those who couldn't afford the upsell but still needs more templates. These templates can also be easily edited in MS PowerPoint. $27.25. Auto 3. Upsell. Supersonic viral quotes. 150/100s motivational and inspirational PowerPoint viral quotes one-time offer. Drive viral traffic and engage your social media audience with this high-quality and ready-to-use quote posters. This is a special package where you get 150 or 100 viral motivational and inspirational quotes that you can use it on your website, social media, Amazon, Etsy, and many more places. These quotes can also be easily edited in MS PowerPoint. $17. Auto 4. Upsell. 30 Facebook PowerPoint covers one-time offer. Start getting more attention to your Facebook pages using this done-for-you professional PowerPoint Facebook covers and go viral in minutes. A massive collection of 30 mind-blowing professional PowerPoint Facebook covers that can make your FB page instantly go viral. Review, Mega Bonus Pack in Download Area.